Hello, everybody. Remember when I put the new power supply in my old PC and was able to bring it back to life? It'd been sitting around for like years, not operating. I got it to run again, but I never could get it to go online. So finally, because the reason I couldn't get it to go online was because it had Internet Explorer in it, and it was a really old version and I just couldn't get it to connect. So I took the last download that I did of Chrome, which was in 2017, by the way. Since I use XP, Chrome will not update, but I did try in 2017. Uh-oh. And so I took the file here, which is in my downloads, put it on a thumb drive, put it in my PC, and Chrome did it for me. It said connecting to the internet, which I already have everything connected via Ethernet cable because I use DSL, and it connected and it pulled up my Chrome, my Google Chrome. So now I'm online and I'm really happy. So now I'll be able to do more of my video editing and everything on here and be able to upload straight from here. What I've been doing is doing some of it on here and transferring from here to the laptop and blah, blah, blah. It was driving me insane. And I do need to update some things on there like Acrobat and a few other things. So maybe, with time it'll get up to par. Anyway, I just was so excited that I decided to share it. There it is. Gmail. Bye now.